Good morning, class. This is Teacher Ellen and welcome back to our math class. Okay, so yesterday we studied numbers, right? Do you still remember what numbers we studied yesterday? Okay, so before we're going to study a new numbers, let's have a review first. Okay, so let's count from 31 until 40. Okay, ready? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So yesterday we studied 31, 32, and 33. 31 I spell Thiryone. 32 I spell Thirytwytwo. 33 I spell Thirythytree. So this morning we are going to study about numbers from 33, 34, and 35. So how do you spell 34? 34 I spell Thirtyfour. 35 I spell Thirtyfive. So this morning we're going to study again 33, 34, and 35. Okay, so class, how many oranges are there? Can you guess how many? Okay, so there are 33 oranges. Okay, there, 33. Next, how many diamonds are there? There are 34 diamonds. Again, one more time, how many diamonds are there? There are 34 diamonds. Next, how many oranges are there? There are 35 oranges. Again, class, how many oranges are there? There are 35 oranges. Okay? Now, let's practice. Okay, so direction, match the number to its number word. So what number is it? This is 33, this is 34, and 35. Okay, this one is 35, 33, and 34. So let's match. What number is it? Where is the number word 33? Are you ready? Okay, great. So number 33, there you are. Next, what number is it? This is number 34. Okay, 34. Yes, number 34 word is here. How about for number 35, the last one? All right, so number 35. Good job, kids. Now, let's practice more. Okay, how to answer this activity? Count the number of marbles. Okay, so you will count the numbers of the marble here and write the number at the right side. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So there are 33 marbles. Okay. And next, how many marbles are here? Okay, it says here there are 33. How about here? 33, 34, 35. Oh, there are 34. Okay, let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, there are 34 marbles. And the last one, there is 35 marbles. Okay, kids, I hope you know how to write and count number 33, 34, and 35. Okay, so that would be all for this morning, kids. I hope you learned something new today. This is Teacher Ellen, and see you again this afternoon. Have a nice day.